Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos. Like this video so that we share the knowledge. We are sharing the knowledge here for free. You don't pay anything. If ever anybody here asks you for a payment, know that it's not me and you're about to get scammed. Everything is shared here for free. If it's indicators, strategies and things like that, if you need books, there are two links in the description box below to the blogs. Visit the blogs, see what you can find. One of the blogs mainly deals with forex trading and the other about making money, managing money, investing and things like that. So yeah, like the video so that we get this video in front of other traders. So I shared the easiest strategy for trading Nasdaq 100, NAS100 for some, and I was getting around to sharing this strategy that you can also use to make money with Nasdaq. And one of the guys in the comment, here's the screenshot, actually beat me to it. So this strategy is for people who have got a risk appetite. If you don't mind losing, because sometimes things immediately turn against you when you enter the market. So decide if you are okay with losing some money. We all lose some money in forex, we all lose money sometimes, but what we want to do is to, as much as possible, manage our risk. But if you have risk appetite and looking for high returns, high risk, high returns, you know what they say, this is a good strategy which makes you to enter the market earlier. The strategy that I said is that you set pending orders, either buy stops or sell stops, and you wait for price to reach those pending orders. However, with this strategy, you do not need those pending orders. What you need to do is, before New York session, again we are dealing with the New York session, what you need to do is, before the New York session, you need to open a screen where you can be able to see what's happening with your, I think they call them blue chip stocks, with your top rated stocks like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, and see what's going on with them. The moment you see them start going up, start shooting up, you enter the market. You don't wait. The moment you see them start buying at market open, you buy Nasdaq 100. You click buy Nasdaq 100, buy NAS 100, buy. You mirror your actions on Nasdaq 100 to what is happening with the Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft and the sort, their stock. If it's going up, it means people are buying. It's going to move Nasdaq, the index, up. So you also should be buying. If you see at market open people start selling those blue chip stocks and they are going down, don't buy Nasdaq. It means you should be selling Nasdaq. So it's a strategy that makes you to enter the market a bit earlier than the pending orders approach. So it's for people who like to take risk, of course, hopefully for high returns, people who would want to get the whole move. Some of us don't want to get a piece of the move. Some of us, we want to get in early and get the whole move. So decide if this is a strategy for you. I think I might try to demonstrate it for you. I'll need to work out on my screens how to get it done. But yeah, that's basically the approach. The Nasdaq is consisted of these top US technology companies. So if people are buying stocks in these huge technology companies in the US, the whole index, it goes up. But if people are selling the stocks from these big technology companies in the United States, the whole index, the whole Nasdaq index goes down. It's straightforward. This is child's play. So again, the strategy is for those that want to enter early, that don't want to wait for their pending orders to be hit. By the way, I don't know if you've been practicing with the pending orders. When you set the pending orders and the market turns in your direction, you need to immediately close the opposing pending orders. Then when the market has moved to a distance where you are comfortable, you need to start setting your trailing stops so that you do not give back to the market what you just made. Okay, so for this strategy of monitoring stocks, yeah, before market opens, before the New York session, we are dealing with the New York session before it opens. Open your charts and look for stocks like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, and all those big blue chip companies. If you see their stocks going up, it means people are buying. It means NASDAQ, NAS100, the whole index is going to go up. It's obvious. The Nasdaq is tied to the fortunes of those companies. So if you see those stocks going up, means buy. When you are again at a level where you are comfortable, then set your trailing stops in case things turn back on you. If you see at market open New York session, if you see the market, the stocks, those top stocks start tumbling, it means sell, and you sell. And again, you make sure that you place your trailing stops immediately so that you don't give back money to the market, the money that you've just made. I hope that helps. I think I might do a video. I'll need to just work out how to do the video, because then I'll need to show you the stocks on one side and I'll need to show you Nasdaq on the other side. A kind of split screen setup. I'll look into how I can quickly do that. Otherwise, I hope you guys make money. I hope you guys are making money. Subscribe again if you are not yet subscribed. Like the video, share the video. Let's share this knowledge. People are selling this free knowledge. People are making money off other people just sharing things that are sometimes obvious.